Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Astro A20 wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how to update your firmware. So as you can see, here we are in our Astro Command Center and we have to hit this update button over here. Here we have to hit yes button and now we have to click continue. But before that we have to connect our headset transmitter to continue the update. So, to do so we have to plug into our adapter a USB type A cable and our micro USB cable into our headset. Now we have to hit continue and now we have to wait. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.